Okay, so for review from last week, we have to look at this charts. It says for every 3 shots that Sarah took, she made 2 of them in her basketball game. If she continues to make the baskets at the same rate, how many baskets will Sarah have made after her 6th shot taken? So we are trying to figure out how many baskets Sarah would make at this rate if she had shot 6 or she had taken 6 shots. So all you're doing is you're interpreting this graph. So if Sarah if Sarah took 3 shots and she made 2 of them, if she took 6 shots at the same rate, she should be making 4 baskets. So you would say 4 baskets. Then let's look at the next one. It says the table below represents the proportional relationship between the pound of cheese. So the pound of cheese to the make a pizza, or the number of pound of cheese that is used for the pizza. We need to drag and drop the responses to complete this table. So we need to determine a pattern. Are we going down? Or are we going across? Or are we going down? So we have 4 pounds of cheese makes 8 pizzas. So I know that 4 times 2 gives me 8. But I'm also looking here. 4 times 2 gives me 8 here. So I got to continue going through the chart and look to see, well, 4 times what can give me 8, 13? 4, 8, 12. Okay, so that it's not, because 4 times 4 is 16, so it's not going down. And 8 times what is going to give me 20? Well, 8, 16, 24. So that doesn't give me 20. So I'm going across. So I have to say 4. Oops, let me bring that chart to the back. You will not have to do this. 4 times 2. So 8 times 2 is 16. So I'll drag my 16 box up here. Okay, well now I gotta go and figure out this box. So times 2. So what times 2 gives me 20? 10. So I'm going to drag my 10 here. And then I gotta go to this box. 13 times 2 is 26. So this is review from last week where we're just filling in the chart, trying to determine the pattern, if it's going across or if it's going down. Also looking at a chart to see if we go from one number and it's already filled in for us to another number and it's already filled in for us. Can we look at it and interpret it and determine and read what they're asking based off what the information is given in the chart?